Conchetta, number one priority for Everpure this year,
Ooh.
2026. When you wake up every day, what's at the top of that list?
Well, we we've got three. So you're asking me number one. It's kind of hard, but I'll give you what we believe is number one. We are here to help this, the mission and our customers with getting your data ready for AI. That would be like the top. What I would share underneath of that is, of course, the integration of OneTouch for classification of the data. The second part is we're creating a product called Data Stream around the data pipelines, around the semantic layer, and helping our customers with that auditability and visibility into your data. That prototype will be GA by the end of the year. And then lastly, bringing AI to life for our customers. And what we mean by that is giving services, joint services with NVIDIA to enhance and enable the inference models that they have in their software stack.
Excellent. We really do appreciate that and look forward to that as well. We're going to take a short break and we'll be right back. You're listening to the Federal Executive Forum on Federal News Network. Welcome back to the Federal Executive Forum on Federal News Network. We're talking about, well, we have the chief data officers and we're talking everything AI, ML, the use, the strategies, et cetera, et cetera. Talking about specific examples, Conchetta, I'm going to go up to you at Everpure. Give us
Sure.
a specific example that you'd like to highlight for the audience out there.
Yeah, we have been working with a very specific government research program,
Mm-hmm.
struggling with disparate data silos. They have been doing a lot of work around experimental results, simulations, historical research, spread across different systems and formats, just like Jesus was sharing, just around, how to data catalog, et cetera. We help them implement something very specific around our portfolio, around our FlashBlade solution. That helped consolidate multiple data silos into a single scalable repository for all the research data. It also preserved the full history of all of the data. So teams no longer had to choose between keeping costs down and then also long-term data retention. That was the second very positive, actionable thing that they accomplished. And then also, lastly, the accelerated, just time to insights. I want to hit on this one a little bit more around our rebranding. Something else that we did around the rebrand is we are purchasing OneTouch.io, and they do very large data classifications and help with data cataloging. So it is a definite area of interest, I would say, across not only government but other organizations. And this is again the tie back to preparing your data for those data pipelines to take into actionable insights for the next wave of whatever your organization may want to leverage that data for. For example, where Jesus was sharing about the supply chain and also value chains, I call them, for workloads and identifying real business outcomes and actionable insights. These are the things that we're doing to help our customers and the agencies to get ahead of it.